Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can start and stop Appium server programmatically. For that, guys, we just need two things. We need Appium driver local service and Appium server builder. So Appium server builder will build you the server, how it should take an IP address. It's a local host 127.0.0.1 and the port we are using is 4723. And also we are using with argument general server flag for session override and the log level. Once it is done that, we'll take this Appium driver local service and start the server with this particular service. So if we have the server, if it is running or not, just stop server. And also we'll use check if the server is running. We'll add the port as an input. Make sure this function is always there. And it's a boolean function. Try to add this before starting the server. Sometimes the server might not stop. When you start the server again, it might throw an error or it will throw that Appium server is already running. Okay. Do this, it will work. Okay. As you can see here, it is attempting to start the server. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.